how to add your name to iPhone lock screen. So all you have to do first is to go to your app store here or your Play Store, depending on what device you have, and then just tap on any text here. So it's actually a lock screen widget. So this one, I actually want you to download this because it's very easy to use. Then if you're done downloading it, what you want to do next is to go here to your settings. Now here on your settings, what I want you to do is to go to your wallpaper. It's actually under accessibility and then above Siri and search. Tap on that, and here, let's say you want to use this wallpaper, and then here for your lock screen, you go to your customize your lock screen here, and then tap on add widget there, and here you can add any text there. Now first is you have to go to your any text here, and then create a text on your widget. So let's say move on there, and then for widget 4, let's say shiny, and then tap on add any text there. So just add all the text that you want to your lock screen, and then what I want you to do is go here to your settings, go back to your wallpaper, and then tap on any text here. Now under any text is you will see this for widget that we actually just created, and then tap on, let's say, since we want to add your name on your iPhone, let's say this name and this name, and then let's say this one, you want to actually change that to into have a nice day or your name, and basically tap on done there. Now if you actually go to your homepage, you have now successfully changed or added your name to your iPhone lock screen. Now one more thing to your any text is you can actually change the text here. Tap on, for example, this one, tap on the gear icon on the right, and here you will be able to customize the words there. Tap on bold, and then you can go to in between there. Let's just put it here to your text alignment. You can actually decide for its widget style to show your background, and then show icon when empty, and then basically tap on done, and you have now successfully customized your lock screen and added your name to your iPhone lock screen. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.